Phuma
Name of Jesus.
ngegama lika Yesu.
You are involved in an accident 2021. Where is she?
Ubusengozini ngo-2021 uphi?
Usuka phi mama?
Where are you from?
Ndihlala eDelft.
Usuka Delft. Nyuka uye esibingelelweni. Go to the altar.
Nyukuze sibingelelweni.
The other woman there. You
Ukhona
went
umnyumama kwalapho.
What happened 2021?
Kwenzeke ntoni ngo-2021?
Washayisa imoto. But what I'm interested to you,
Lento nomdla kuyo kuwe.
lento wagalelwe etshwaleni.
What they did
You
to
are
you the
drinking
alcohol.
non-stop.
Wena usela ukokoko.
Huh?
Nyani.
You are just drinking.
Uyasela
Non-stop you are
nje,
drinking.
uyawunqandela.
Go to the altar, you are free.
Iya esibingelelweni
Go
ukhululekile.
to the altar. You are
Yes,
delivered in the
Bingelelweni.
name of Jesus.
Ukhululekile egameni likaYesu.
Can I prophesy?
Ndingaprofetha na.
Mabudede ubumnyama makuvela ukukhanya.
Let darkness be removed.
You are free in the name of Jesus.
Ukhululiwe egameni likaYesu.
Moya wokunxila.
Spirit of alcohol.
Shout, come out.
Phuma.
1,
Phuma.
2,
Phuma.
3,
Phuma.
4,
Phuma.
5,
Phuma.
6,
Phuma.
7.
Phuma.
There's a woman you're watching on me right online.
Kukhona owesifazana osibukeleyo.
You are having a son
Wena unonyana
that is on drugs.
okuziyobisi.
You are a security guard.
Wena
You are
ungumantshingilayo.
watching me from work now.
Ngoku ndibukele
The
emsebenzini.
power of God
Amandla
is
kaThixo
coming upon you.
aza kuwe.
Deliverance is coming to your son.
Uyakhululwa kunyanakho.
So shall it be.
Kuyoba njalo.
It can never be otherwise.
Ngeke kwaba ngenye
Lift
indlela.
up your voice and shout grace
Ithuba balo.
upon grace.
Phezu kobabalo.
I can hear you say grace
Ithuba balo.
upon grace.
Phezu
I
kobabalo.
can hear you say grace
Ithuba balo.
upon grace.
Phezu kobabalo.
In the name of Jesus.
Ngegama likaYesu.